Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to add push notifications to your WordPress blog so that your visitors can opt in just by clicking yes. My name's Theo McArthur, I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging since 2016. Log into your WordPress dashboard and we're going to use a free plugin to add push notifications to the blog. So go to plugins on the menu and add new, do a search in the search box for push notifications. At this time, I would recommend this one here, Web Push Notifications by Web Pusher. And the reason for that is because although this one here, One Signal Web Push Notifications, has a lot more active installations, a lot more people have used this plugin or are using this plugin. This one here, Web Pusher, was updated 2 weeks ago, whereas One Signal has not been updated for 2 months. When a plugin has not been updated for 2 months, it's getting into the realms of perhaps being outdated. Therefore, at the time of making this video, I'm going to install this one, Web Pusher, and activate. With this plugin, you need to register before you can actually use it. So clicking on one-step registration, and here's where you'll enter your details, your name, your email address and a password, and register. Now, most of these settings, if not all of these settings, are probably best left exactly as they are. First of all, you need to have a tick in the box for Enable Web Push. Notification title, message, icon, etc. This is what the user will see. If they have signed up to web notifications, when they get a notification, this is what they will see. They will see the title of the new post, a message along with the title, and that will be an excerpt from the post, and the notification icon. This will be the featured image of your post, so the main image of the post. Similarly with notification image, that will also be the featured image. So again, it's better to leave all these things just as they are as default settings. So automatically send push notification when a new post is published. I recommend you leave that ticked. Automatically send push notifications when an existing post is updated. That's up to you. Personally, I would untick that because if a user gets too many push notifications, they're likely to unsubscribe. Automatically hide notifications after a few seconds once it is displayed. Now this only works on Windows, but that means if the user doesn't interact with the notification, doesn't click on it, doesn't do anything within a few seconds, it's going to just disappear. I recommend that you do leave that ticked. Click Save Settings. And now we've got these two things down here. The welcome notification, this is the message that a user will see once they opt in to web push notifications. And this here is the opt-in prompt. So let's go ahead and click on the Web Pusher web console to compose or edit these. And we need to sign in. So this is the account that we created just a few minutes ago. Select a site. At this time you'll only have one, but if in the future you decide to add Web Pusher to other websites, then you'll be able to select here from the drop down box. So clicking on Setup, Opt-in Prompt. Now here you have a choice of 2-click prompt or 1-click prompt. A 1-click prompt is no longer recommended, as you can see here, and it only works on Chrome anyway. 2-click prompt is the recommended one. And you can also select how it's going to look. You've got this option here, a lightbox 1 or a lightbox 2, or you can just choose the bell icon. And that's what it's going to look like there. Lightbox 2, lightbox 1. You can also change the animation, slide in or drop in. Background color, as you can see it's currently white, but if you want to change it, you can do here. And here's where you can enter and change the text. Would you like to receive notifications on latest updates? It's not very appealing, it's not very enticing. So if you want to encourage more people to click on yes, create a headline here and put something in the text here that's more related to what your blog is about. For example, the blog that I use in my course that teaches people how to start blogging and how to start making money from blogging is a blog about wildlife and gardening to encourage wildlife. So I could write something like, get the latest wildlife news, be notified as soon as a new post is released. So it's a bit more enticing than what was there before because it's more relevant to the content of the blog. You can also upload an icon here, and this could be your logo. Cancel button, not yet or no thanks. Approve button, yes. Re-prompt delay. Right, so when a user clicks no thanks, how long do you want to wait before the prompt is shown again? By default here it says 1 day, but that's not long enough. Think about it, if you click no thanks on a website for push notifications, and the next day you go back again, and it's there again asking you if you want to get push notifications, that's going to be a little bit annoying. So I would leave it at least 3 days. And save your changes. There are other things here you can click on and customize, but earlier we mentioned the welcome push. Let's click on that. Thank you for subscribing. We'll notify you on latest news and updates. Well, for this message, I would change it to be more in line with the opt-in message over here. And here is a preview of what it looks like. So once again, this is the message that a user sees if they click yes on the push notifications to opt in and update. We can now check that out on the website and make sure that it's working. Open a new incognito window, and there it is. Whenever you want to check something like this to see what it looks like and make sure it's working, use an incognito window rather than your normal browser window, because if you're logged in, you probably won't be able to see it properly or even see it at all. Okay, so we can see that's working. There's nothing on this blog. It's just a demonstration blog for the purpose of making these lessons.